What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this industrial mirror. You see this mirror in warehouses. You see this mirror at any type of company that you go to. You see these type of mirrors in their parking lots. You see it in the warehouses. You see it everywhere, especially when you got forklift drivers and stuff like that. This catches the blind spots, and we are going to put this in our garage. Now, if you park forward in your garage, you may be fine, right? If you park forward, but for the people that back up into the garage, let's say that your kids are learning to drive or they just got their license and stuff, it's bad enough you're scared that they're going to back into your garage door, right? But let's say if they backing up into inside of the garage, you may not have a backup camera and none of that good stuff. You can put this mirror right here and put it right in front so you can actually see your threshold mark, and that will make parking perfect. It's acrylic. You peel this off. It looks muggy now, but as you peel off, you see how clear it is. They give you 4 screws, and they're anchor screws, so just in case you don't hit a stud, then you can just use the anchors right there. And you got more right here. So let's go ahead and put this thing up. Let's get into this install. Pop this ball up. We're gonna unscrew this. They give you 2 washers. All right, you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is look for the stud. They give you options right here. So this one, of course, if you can't find a stud, this is your anchor. What you have to do is drill yourself a hole, put this in, right? This is your anchor, and then you screw it up like that. The option we're looking for is just drilling right into the stud. And then you have your brick or concrete option right here. All right, you guys. So this thing is basically simple to put up. So what we're going to do is put it right here. So we're going to go ahead and put it on. Perfect. Put our washer, put it on, and there you go. All right. Now don't forget to tighten up your screw back there, but that's it. Take your protective film off. Woo! And that is clean, clear as day, you guys. Now you can actually see when you're backing up. All right, now I put this on the left side because, of course, when you're backing up, the driver is on the left side looking up, right? So they're looking up, and you can actually see if you far back enough from your threshold right there. All right, so let's say if you want to come even a little bit further out, you know what I mean, like right here, then you can actually see it from the mirror. So that is awesome, you guys. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up, but yeah, don't forget to tighten it up, put your anchors on, do the right thing so it don't come down. But honestly, it's just a mirror and it's very light, so nothing's going to happen. All right, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.